Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77s, and now I can show you how to record calls on this device. To record calls, you need to use CubeACR app, but I have it installed, so I need to uninstall it. I will uninstall it to show you how to do it. So firstly, open the Play Store and find here CubeACR application, Cube Automatically Call Recorder. Of course, you can use any other call recorder application, but I suggest use CubeACR because I have tested it and it works. So find here CubeACR recorder, download it, wait a while and click open. Now we need to set it up. To do it, firstly click next and grant permissions while you're in the app. Allow. Grant permissions, allow. Okay, go with, allow. Geotagging, of course, we need to enable the geotagging. But I suggest you not to provide the access to geotagging. So I don't know why, but I don't like to provide my location access to suspicious apps. So I don't want to tell you that CubeACR is a suspicious app, but I don't like to provide access to the apps that don't need it. So why do you need to have my location access? I don't know CubeACR, so I don't want to provide you this access. So I hope you have understand my logic. So great. So now as you can see, I have downloaded CubeACR, but it's not all. We need to set this up. So open settings, find your apps. In the apps, find App Manager. In the App Manager, find CubeACR. In the CubeACR, choose permissions, yes. So here you need to have enabled contacts, microphone, music and audio on nearby devices. Why? Don't allow nearby devices, man. Notifications, phone, photos and videos, okay. Location access do need and nearby devices. And we need to disable pause app activity if unused. Go back. Then choose battery usage. In the battery usage, we have allow foreground activity. It's great, but now we need to allow background activity too. And allow auto launch, of course. Then go back. Display over the apps. We need to enable it. Go back. Great. Now go back to the home screen and click on the three lights or three dots button if you are using gestures. So just swipe it in this way and hold, and you will open recently opened apps. In this menu, you need to find CubeACR. Click on the three dots button between the CubeACR and click lock. Great. Now this app will always work in the background, and if someone will calls you, this app will automatically record your call. But this app don't have access to the root file system of your device, and if you have root access on your device, so don't matter about it, CubeACR will work properly. But if you don't have, you need to know that this app can record voices and sounds only from the microphone. So if you want to pick up your voice and the voice of your communication partner, you need to use speaker mode when calling. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.